What every seller should know about current home prices. Do media stories have you wondering about your home's value declining? Here's what you really need to know. As I mentioned back in June, home prices needed a correction in month-over-month values as it was not sustainable. In the next slide, look at the green home value decline. It peaked in January of 22. As the graph shows, home price growth has slowed in recent months, shown in green, partially due to the buyer demand pulling back in response to higher mortgage rates. What's more important to notice is the bigger, long-term picture. While home price growth is in a correction month over month, the percent of appreciation year over year is still above 2020 markets. On the chart, January 19 through mid-2020 shows the home price appreciation was normal at 3 to 5%. But what does this mean for your home's current equity? While you may not be able to capitalize on the 20% appreciation we saw in early 2022, in most markets, on average, you're up 10% over last year. So the big takeaway is, don't let the headlines get in the way of your plans to sell. Over the past 2 years alone, you've likely gained a substantial amount of equity in your home as home prices climbed. As Mark Fleming says, potential home sellers gained significant amounts of equity over the pandemic, so even as affordability constrained buyer demand spurs price, potential sellers are unlikely to lose all that they have gained. The bottom line is, if you have questions about home prices or how much equity you have in your current home, let's connect today so you can get an expert's advice on what the market is doing. Making dreams a reality, one closing at a time.